Did you know that some animals possess spider-like abilities? Let's take a closer look at these incredible creatures. Geckos have specialized toe pads covered in microscopic hairs that allow them to climb any surface effortlessly. Despite their small size, praying mantises are skilled hunters that can capture prey many times their size with lightning-fast reflexes. The orchid mantis mimics a flower to lure unsuspecting insects, showcasing the wonders of nature's camouflage. Fascinated by these amazing creatures? Subscribe to our channel for more jaw-dropping animal facts and incredible footage.